Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The role of preventive car maintenance, saving you time, money, and stress. Regular car maintenance is akin to attending a routine checkup at the doctor's office. Even when your vehicle seems to be running smoothly, preventive care is crucial in identifying and addressing potential issues before they evolve into major, costly problems. By prioritizing preventive car maintenance, you can save money, reduce stress, ensure a safer driving experience, and extend the lifespan of your vehicle. This expanded exploration will delve deeper into the importance of preventive maintenance, the key tasks involved, how seasonal considerations can further protect your vehicle, and why professional care is critical. The financial and safety benefits of preventive car maintenance. One of the most compelling reasons to stay on top of preventive car maintenance is the significant cost savings over time. Vehicles are complex machines, and neglecting their care can lead to cascading failures. By addressing minor issues early, you can avoid more extensive repairs that can drain your wallet. For example, replacing a worn-out timing belt is far less expensive than dealing with the engine damage that can occur if the belt fails. The same logic applies to other key components like brake pads, tires, and fluids. Regular brake inspections, for instance, can prevent costly brake system repairs and, more importantly, reduce the risk of accidents due to brake failure. Brakes are one of the most critical safety systems in your car, and ensuring they're functioning correctly is essential to avoiding accidents, especially in emergency situations. In addition to saving money, preventive maintenance contributes to your safety and that of your passengers. A well-maintained vehicle is less likely to suffer from sudden breakdowns or malfunctions on the road, reducing the chances of accidents. Whether it's ensuring your tires have sufficient tread depth for adequate traction or verifying that your brakes are in optimal condition, these preventive measures are essential for safe driving. When your car is in good shape, it responds better to your inputs and adapts more effectively to changing road conditions. Moreover, keeping your car in peak condition enhances its resale value. When it comes time to sell or trade in your vehicle, a documented history of regular maintenance can make your car more attractive to potential buyers, allowing you to command a higher price. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for a car that has been well taken care of because it reduces their risk of future repairs. A well-maintained vehicle reflects care and responsibility, making it a more appealing option in the used car market. Essential scheduled maintenance tasks. Scheduled maintenance tasks are the cornerstone of preventive car care. These tasks should be performed at regular intervals, as specified in your vehicle's owner's manual, to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly. Adhering to this schedule not only helps you avoid unexpected breakdowns but also ensures that your car remains efficient and safe. Oil changes and fluid checks. The engine oil in your car serves as a lubricant for all the moving parts, preventing friction and wear. Over time, oil degrades and becomes contaminated with debris, reducing its effectiveness. Regular oil changes are crucial to maintaining engine health and preventing costly repairs. An engine that runs with dirty or insufficient oil is at risk of overheating, seizing up, or suffering from increased wear and tear. By changing your oil as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, you ensure that your engine remains protected and runs smoothly. Additionally, checking and maintaining the proper levels of other essential fluids, such as transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid, ensures that your car operates efficiently and reliably. Transmission fluid keeps your gears shifting smoothly, coolant prevents your engine from overheating, and brake fluid ensures that your brakes work effectively. Ignoring fluid maintenance can lead to overheating, transmission failure, or brake system malfunctions, all of which can be expensive and dangerous. Regularly inspecting these fluids and topping them off or replacing them as needed is a simple yet effective way to prevent bigger problems down the road. Tire pressure and tread checks. Your tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road, making their maintenance critical. Proper tire pressure is essential for optimal fuel efficiency, handling, and tire longevity. Underinflated tires can cause uneven wear, reduce gas mileage, and increase the risk of a blowout, while overinflated tires can lead to a loss of traction, especially in wet conditions. Both scenarios can compromise your safety and increase your costs. Checking your tire pressure at least once a month ensures that your tires are in the best condition for driving. It's a simple task that can be done at home with a tire gauge or at a gas station. Additionally, monitoring tread depth is vital for maintaining traction and preventing hydroplaning. Bald tires with insufficient tread can compromise your ability to control the vehicle, especially in adverse weather conditions. In wet or icy conditions, tires with adequate tread are essential for maintaining grip on the road. Regularly checking tread depth and rotating your tires as recommended can help ensure even wear and extend the life of your tires. Battery maintenance and replacement. A healthy battery is fundamental to your car's operation. It powers the electrical systems and ensures that your car starts reliably every time. Over time, battery performance can degrade, particularly in extreme temperatures. A battery that struggles to start your car in cold weather or shows signs of corrosion on the terminals is likely on its last legs. Regularly inspecting and cleaning the battery terminals, checking the electrolyte levels, and testing the battery's charge can help you avoid unexpected failures. Replacing the battery before it completely fails is a proactive step that can save you from the inconvenience and cost of needing a tow. If your battery is showing signs of weakness, such as slow engine cranking or dim headlights, it's a good idea to replace it before it leaves you stranded. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years, but it's wise to have them tested annually after the 3-year mark. By staying ahead of battery issues, you ensure that your car is always ready to go when you are. Inspections and repairs, proactively addressing wear and tear. While scheduled maintenance focuses on regular upkeep, periodic inspections of your car's critical components help catch wear and tear before they lead to breakdowns. Inspections are an opportunity to detect potential problems that might not be apparent during regular use but could lead to significant repairs if left unchecked. Belts and hoses inspections. Your vehicle's belts and hoses play a critical role in keeping your engine and other systems running smoothly. The serpentine belt, for example, drives multiple components such as the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Over time, belts can crack or fray, and hoses can develop leaks or become brittle. A failed belt or hose can lead to immediate and potentially catastrophic failures, such as engine overheating or loss of power steering. Regular inspections, typically every 50,000 miles, can identify these issues early. Replacing worn belts and hoses is far less expensive and inconvenient than dealing with a breakdown or engine damage caused by their failure. If your mechanic notices cracks, splits, or other signs of wear during an inspection, it's better to replace the components promptly rather than risk a failure on the road. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll get into the specifics of how to perform regular checks and what to look out for. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.